In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured trip in WP Travel Engine. Let's dive right in and make your travel offerings stand out on your website. Remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do this, just follow along step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin. This is your main hub for managing your WP Travel Engine and all its functionalities. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Trips section. You can do this by clicking on Trips, then go to All Trips. Now, if you haven't created the trip you want to feature, this is the perfect time to do so by clicking Add New. But for those of you who already have a trip in mind, click to open the specific trip you'd like to showcase. Once you've opened the trip, take a good look at the right side of your screen. This is where the magic begins, specifically in the sidebar labeled Trip Settings or Featured Trip. What you're looking for here, importantly, is the option to mark this trip as featured. You should see a checkbox aptly named Set as Featured Trip. Go ahead and check this box. This action is simple but crucial. It's how you tell your website that this trip deserves some special attention on your front page. Afterward, make sure to save your changes. Depending on whether you're working on a new trip or updating an existing one, you'll either click Update or Publish. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are live and ready for the world to see. Now that you've set your trip as featured, it's time to configure how these trips will display on your homepage, a pivotal part to enhancing your user's site experience. Navigate to Appearance, then click on Customize. This will take you into the settings where you can tweak how your website looks and feels. Once there, head over to Homepage Sections and look for Featured Trips. In this section, you'll customize how your featured trips will appear on the front end of your site. This can involve choosing how many trips to display, in what order, and other details that might impact the aesthetics. Take your time experimenting here. After all, this is where your hard work comes to life visually. And that's it! Now your site is set up to proudly display your featured trips, capturing the attention and excitement of your visitors. With these steps, you've leveraged the WP Travel Engine's featured trip settings to boost your site's appeal and functionality. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy showcasing your exciting travel journeys.